Hey everyone, welcome back, y'all. We are back to do a little bit of our Walmart haul. You are not going to see multiple things here because I did purchase this yesterday on March 2nd because the kids wanted their items and they were not going to wait for me to do a video the next day. So apologies, I will talk about the things that are not here. I am putting this video up on both channels. That way everybody can see what I got going on here. I'm not doing two separate videos. So for those in the prepping world, we are prepping leg quarters. It's the cheapest form of chicken right now to do. This is 87 cents a pound. It is a 10-pound bag. Philip's going to take a couple of the leg quarters out of here tonight, and he is going to grill them on the grill. The rest of them, we're going to cut them down. We're going to put them in our freezer paper, and we're going to rewrap them ourselves and put them in the freezer so that we are starting our stock up with legs and thighs. Do not purchase the legs and thighs separately. If you do, you're going to pay a bigger price because the bottom line is they do charge you when they have to process by breaking down the legs and thighs for you. We do it ourselves. So this bag was less than $9 for 10 pounds of chicken. Let's talk about eggs real quick while we're doing this. Y'all, I'm going to tell you right now, there is no chicken flu. There is no bird flu. There is no flu of any sort. The industry has gotten to the point that they think they can raise the price of eggs and consumers will just buy them. I'm one house that is not going to buy it. Please check in with your local farmers and see if you can get your dozens of eggs cheaper. My daughter's doing that. I think she's getting them for $2.50 a dozen where she's at. I am not going to buy eggs right now. I am not going through those crazy prices. Y'all, if the birds had the flu, if the chickens had the flu, the price of meat would have gone up as well. This price of chicken meat has not gone up. So please check with your local farmers to see if you can get your eggs locally sourced. Don't step into Walmart and other stores and purchase eggs for anywhere from $7 a dozen, as crazy as I've heard, up to almost $12 a dozen. That's insane. So we will not be buying eggs, and you won't be seeing them until they do finally come back down. So he's going to break that down for me. I appreciate it. Some of these items, most of these items came from Walmart. Some are from my Subscribe and Save order. This was $170 between my Walmart order and Subscribe and Save. I will tell you that Philip did get a 12-pack of Great Value cream soda, and that is in the living room. Jesse and I are splitting a 24-pack of Sam's Cola soda. Danya has grape juice in her room, and she has her huge bag of Takis. Jesse also has a huge bag of Takis. She got herself a 24-pack of string cheese, which I didn't bring in here today, but it is in the fridge. And she got herself a huge pack of Takis as well. We do have some kitchen items and some other items household-wise that you will not see. We did buy several packs of incense sticks to burn throughout the house just to make the house smell really good. So those are not in here. 2 packs of wax melts are not in here. One of our chemical sprayers, one of our sprayers that we use to put our huge big bottles of things like Windex and things like that, or cleaners. One of the bottles is already being used, so that's not here. So I do apologize for that. That's a lot of stuff that I just mentioned that is not here. Back here, I get 2 boxes a month of the poop scoop bags for the Chihuahuas outside and my son's Husky. Also from Amazon, this is a stock up. Chicken's a stock up. This is a stock up. We go through a little over a box of bags, so I do make sure that gets stocked up as well for our preppers. This is a box of trash bags from Amazon. Barbecue sauce is from Walmart. Philip will be using some of that tonight. Remember, I don't stock up on a lot of condiments anymore. I did that in the past and threw away probably close to 50 bottles of condiments ahead, expired, and we didn't use, so I no longer do that. I get them as I need them. I may get one extra, but that's it. We've been out of butter for a while. Butter hasn't gone down very much in price, but this is the butter my kids like. Don't come at me. I am not spending $12 or $13 on 4 sticks of real butter or that Irish butter. I'm sorry, we can't do it because we go through butter so fast in this house. My kids grew up on country crock. I promise you, they are fine and they are healthy. Not the best butter, I know, but that's what we're doing. Back here, this is a total stock up from Amazon. I already have one of these in last month's Amazon Subscribe and Save. This is Gain dryer sheets. I cut them in half. We only use half at a time because they are heavily scented. So with that being said, 240 is actually 480 loads worth of dryer sheets for us. So that is a 100% complete stock up. We do have 4 pounds of sugar. Again, that's a stock up for us right now because we already have sugar. This kind of opened up. I don't know why, but as you can tell, all the cheese is there. My son loves his cheese, and he only likes the Great Value version. This is a 72 count. Some toothbrushes that I did not mean to get in my Subscribe and Save, and was expecting to skip it, but that's okay because I have plenty of toothbrushes in the cabinet now. We will add this pack to it as well. These do come with the caps for the toothbrushes, and I really like that setup. 2 pounds of brown sugar. My son wants to make poor man baked beans tonight, and that's what I grew up my kids on because that's what we had growing up. My parents didn't go out and buy baked beans. They bought pork and beans. We added brown sugar and onion to it, and we did it that way. And that's how my kids have always grown up with me as well. Very few times have I actually gone and bought baked beans because they're more expensive. Back here, huge jar of creamy peanut butter. Most of my kids in the house will not eat crunchy peanut butter. There's only 2 of us that will, 2 won't. So I don't fight with them. I got plenty of crunchy in stock. So this is creamy peanut butter back here. Sorry for my dogs. They are running around right now. My chihuahuas, they are playing. So if you hear little feet in the background, that would be them. We do have 2 of our cleaning chemical bottles here. 2 of them stopped working. So went ahead and we got 3 more. One's actually being in use right now as we speak. Over here, we've got 6 cans here of Pedigree wet dog food, 22 ounces. I have one Chihuahua who thinks that he does not want to eat dry food at all. So we have a problem with that. I'm going to mix a little bit of the dry food with the wet food for him and see if I can get him to tolerate it just that way. I will bulk this up with rice, green beans, carrots, things of that nature. So, doesn't look like a very big haul. Really is not. Inflation is not going down, y'all. Prices are not going to drop. They're going to continue to go up. So, stock up when you can and as much as you can because I think we're in for some rough times ahead when it comes to the pricing of groceries right now. So, that is what we have for you. Again, I apologize, not everything is here. One other thing that's not here, and I think it's underneath the sink, but I'm not going to turn around and grab it right now, is a 90-ounce bottle of Ajax dish soap, and that is a stock up for us as well. I get one every single month so I can keep stocked up. Our household does not have a dishwasher, so we are the dishwashers, and we go through quite a bit of dish soap regardless. So I do try to keep that in stock as well because we need to make sure our dishes stay clean. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, any suggestions, throw them down in the comment section down for me. Again, for the prepping side, I apologize. I've been off for over 2 weeks because I had RSV really, really bad. I finally am back to feeling a lot more like normal. I still have a little bit of moments where I'm just under the weather tired, but that is it. So I am finally back to start working on our stock ups, and we're going to go to focus sections, which is what I used to do and was the most successful for us. So I'll talk to y'all more on my other channel, Without Limits Missouri Prepper. When it comes to that, on the budgeting side, just know $150 was spent at Walmart yesterday and $20 through my Amazon Subscribe and Save. So that's $170. I'll be talking to you guys on the budgeting side of things and breaking down my March budget. All right, y'all, take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.